Welcome to my review of Hasson and Wong, a leading hair restoration clinic known for providing advanced hair transplant services. In this video, I'm going to take you through a complete user experience, exploring everything their website offers and the services they provide. Whether you're struggling with alopecia or considering a hair transplant procedure, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into before making a decision. Hasson and Wong's website is sleek and professional, giving a solid first impression. The layout is simple to navigate, with clear sections on hair restoration services, pricing, and testimonials from patients. The website provides detailed information about the procedures they offer, including follicular unit extraction, FUE, and follicular unit transplantation, FUT. These methods are widely recognized for their effectiveness, but the website doesn't dive too deep into the technicalities, making it accessible to someone just starting to look into hair restoration. One of the most impressive aspects of the site is the before and after photo gallery. The transformation pictures are real and offer a clear view of the potential results. However, it's important to note that results can vary from person to person, and the gallery doesn't mention the variations in cases. If you're looking for something more specific, you'll need to reach out to their team for a consultation. In terms of pricing, the site doesn't list exact numbers, which might be frustrating for some users. However, they do provide a general overview of costs depending on the procedure and the extent of the hair loss. For those wanting detailed pricing, you'll need to contact the clinic directly. This is something to consider, as transparency in pricing is something many people look for when researching medical services. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The user experience on Hasson and Wong's website is overall positive, but it's clear that there's room for improvement. The site could benefit from more interactive features, such as live chat for instant consultations, or a more detailed FAQ section to address common concerns. Additionally, some may find the lack of pricing information frustrating, as transparency is a key factor in choosing a clinic. Overall, if you're serious about hair restoration, Hasson and Wong offers credible services and has a solid reputation in the industry. Their website is well designed and easy to navigate, but it could provide more in-depth information in certain areas. I recommend checking it out for yourself and reaching out for a consultation if you're considering their services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching.